Hello, hello, hello. Yay! Are you there? Are you there? Give me your ears because I have an exciting news for you right now. Wow, today we got to 1,000 subscribers and I can't thank you enough. I'm so excited. Thank you for the love and support. I'm so emotional today because this is just a dream come true. Thank you all for being part of my dream and part of my journey. Family, today we are making Eto. Eto is good for everybody. We have plantain Eto, cocoyam Eto, which is also called ogo, and yam Eto. Today, as you all can see, we are making plantain Eto. So first, let's peel off the skin and continue from there. When making spiced mashed plantain or eto, you can use only the green plantain or the ripe plantain, or you can mix both together, okay? Also, don't scrape off the skin of the plantain because it's not needed. You are not making ampesi. So just leave the skin on like that, alright? And now divide them into two, three, or however you want it. But normally it's two or at most four. Once the skin is peeled off, I'm going to wash it nicely and put it in a saucepan which is filled with water, just like this. Beautiful. And now I'm going to add my eggs and not adding salt at this stage. Usually I'll add my pepper at this stage for it to cook with the eggs and plantain, but today I'm not doing that. I'm going to grind it fresh, okay? So here we are with our earthenware and we're going to grind our vegetables. First is our pepper, spring onions, red onions, which you can use the white onions, okay? Now let the grinding begin. Once we start like this, then you all know that you're going to start building up our flavors. So keep watching to see what I'll be adding up if only you are interested. Okay, it smells good already, family. I'm going to be adding my oven roasted momone. Momone is fermented fish, okay, and I made it recently. I have the video on my channel. Check it out. You love it. It's amazing. I've added my peanut butter. Interesting. Grind to combine everything together nicely. It doesn't have to be smooth, but it's all up to you how you want it, okay? Now I'm going ahead to add prawns powder. Beautiful. And I'll keep grinding to combine everything nicely together. Add salt to taste, okay? It's all up to you how you want it. This smells amazing. I'm scooping some of the sauce on the side, which I will enjoy with the top later, okay? Wow, Eto.How, this is flavorful, beautiful, top notch, so heavenly. Wow, incredible. The plantain is cooked and ready, so I'm going to mash it together with the hot sauce, just like so. Take it one after the other, carefully and gently mash it well so that there will be no lumps in it. Because it's best enjoyed when it's lump free. This mashed plantain right here is everything. It smells amazing. It's so flavorful, and I'm so loving this. So family, I'm now melting my palm oil, which I'll add to the eto, and I'll mix it together in the earthenware, okay? This palm oil is none other than Zomi palm oil, and we all know that Zomi takes our dishes to the next level. So you can just imagine, this eto right here is already heavenly. Now, after adding the palm oil to your desired taste and preference, use the eto or the grinder to just mix it like that in the earthenware. Beautiful. This is so quick, easy, simple, yet healthy and nutritious. Above all, super delicious. And it's done in less than 15 minutes. This is so amazing. I love the flavor of the prawns powder, fermented fish, and everything about it. What a punch! Beautiful. Family lunch is ready and I'm already salivating. Finally, I'm garnishing my spiced mashed plantain or eto with eggs, avocados, scallions or spring onions, red onions, and peanuts. You can use any veggie of your choice, okay? And I'm topping it up with the sauce, the hot sauce. Yeah, that is it. Beautiful. I love it. So far, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if you are new, hey, I would love to have you here. So please subscribe, click on the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. Also, kindly follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, like my page as well, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's build this amazing family together. Hooray! I'm so excited. I'm so emotional today. It's all been tears of joy. Finally, I made it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all for being part of this journey. Thank you for the love and support. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, enjoy. Bye, you all. Mwah. Kiss.